Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you some home renovations, starting with this modern farmhouse floor renovation. This floor renovation is only our first step in moving towards a modern farmhouse style home, so I will be sharing many more renovations, makeovers, cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and decorating videos as we move towards our goal of a modern farmhouse style home. So definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. This floor renovation wasn't quite as simple as just ripping out our old flooring and laying new flooring. We actually had a load-bearing wall taken out not too long ago, and it left our floors very uneven. So prior to having our new flooring laid, my husband went ahead and ripped up the old flooring where this wall was taken down to just see what was under our old flooring and level it all out so that the contractors could come in and lay all of our new flooring. The first few things we needed to do to accomplish that was just move all of the furniture out of the way, get all of the dust and debris out of the way, and start ripping up that floor. After having that load-bearing wall taken down, not only did it leave our floors very uneven, but it also left some exposed concrete and very sharp edges, and I have two little ones, 2 and under, and that was so dangerous. I am so happy to have our floor fixed. We had no idea what we were going to find under this part of our floor, but it ended up being plywood, 2x4s, and concrete, which we kind of did expect. We just didn't know the condition it would be in, and we did end up running into a little bit of an issue. We did not expect the concrete to be cracked down the middle. There was a very large ridge that at first we were unsure how to handle it. What we anticipated doing was using plywood and building it up to 1 inch to meet the rest of our floor because this floor was completely uneven. However, we could not do that because of the ridge down the middle. We ended up having to use Level Quick, and we used a whole 25 bags of Level Quick. And you guys, if you don't know the price of Level Quick, we definitely didn't anticipate having to spend that money on this part of our floor, but it all worked out in the end, and we are super happy we went that route instead because our floor ended up being so much more solid. The area my husband is jackhammering right now is where our old load-bearing wall used to be. Like I said, it just left a very large, uneven ridge down the middle of our house. This ridge needed to be taken down quite a bit in order to be covered with the Level Quick and make it level with the rest of our slab. Now the area is prepped, and I wanted to take a second and show you guys what the area looks like. The ridge has been taken down. We decided to just leave the tile in our foyer area and cover it with the Level Quick. We ended up using a lot less Level Quick because we chose to do it this way. Now Rob is prepping for the Level Quick. It's just going to look like he's painting the entire area. I'm not 100% sure what this does. I think it makes it so that the concrete doesn't break apart from the original slab. Now it's time to mix the Level Quick. If you've never worked with Level Quick before, especially a lot of it, you have to work very quickly because it starts to solidify extremely fast. You actually only have about 4 or 5 minutes to work with it until it starts to solidify, so we had to work super quick. We were mixing like 6 buckets at a time and just getting the job done. We ended up having to run to the store to get an additional 10 bags. We had originally bought 15 and we estimated we needed about 10 more, and we did end up using all 10. You can see on the outside the areas that are drying, and then my husband did end up adding an additional 3 bags in the middle to even it all out. The next day, the contractors came and started laying our brand new flooring. I mentioned earlier that I have 2 kids, 2 and under. You guys don't even know what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom with 2 kids, 2 and under, while there's major construction going on in your home. At the same time this was happening, our kitchen was being demolished, and believe me, you guys, I can't wait to get that video out. The transformation is absolutely amazing, but having 2 kids during all of this construction, it was 100 degrees outside. It was just so chaotic. We didn't really have much to do, so I tried my best to keep them out of everybody's way. We did what we could, we survived, and everything turned out just fine. Since this part of the floor is finished, they're going to go ahead and move the furniture over to the finished part and start ripping up the rest of the floor. Throughout this video, you guys will see little sneak peeks of my kitchen being remodeled because, of course, you can't avoid seeing the remodel without seeing the floor, so you will see little bits and pieces of it, but the whole video is amazing and it's such a huge transformation like I mentioned before. This is what our house looks like with all of our old flooring ripped up. The hallway still has the underlayment there. I did not want to film the guys in the hallway because I really didn't want to get in their way, but I did end up filming the whole entire rest of the area. The very last thing to do is the trim and the quarter round. I hope you guys really enjoyed this modern farmhouse floor renovation. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I'll see you guys in the next one.